Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Maltego on Kali Linux 2025. As you know that Maltego is a information gathering software. So we can go to the application and we can do Maltego. As you see that we have Maltego installer. We don't have Maltego install. So we're going to go to our terminal. Let me zoom in. So before installing any application on the Linux, you must first update the packages. For that one, we're going to use the command sudo apt get update, and this command will update all the packages of the client. So it's telling that it's updated already. I'm going to drag this here and I'm going to go to the website maltego.com. So this is the website where you can download the Maltego. So if you don't have your account, you must need to sign up for this account. I already have an account, so I will go with sign in. Go for login. I put my credential. There you go. I sign into the account, and as we know that this is the home page where you're gonna land when you log into this website. So we have a download here. Download. So before downloading, always check for your hardware requirements. So for it's gonna support Java 8, 11, 17, and supported is 4 GB RAM, 16 GB is recommended, and 4 GB of disk storage. So for the call Linux, we're gonna go to the Linux. Then on the file, it's gonna be a dev file. Click on the download. As you see that the file is 204 MB, and here we go. Let's download it. So now let me go to the downloads. Let me see the list. So here we go. We have successfully downloaded the package. Now we're gonna install it. So with the command sudo dpkg I, then our file. It's installing here. Here we go. We have installed. Then we're gonna go back to our application to Maltego. And here there is no more installer, so we're gonna click this one. And it's gonna open. Sometimes it takes a while, so please be patient. Starting the modules. Here we say welcome to Maltego. We don't have the license key with the Maltego, so we're gonna do the next. Proceed the Maltego activation, online activation, yes, next. And here will be, we need to accept all the agreement, do the next. And here login with the Maltego, so we need to authorize. So I will use the browser login. I have already logged in, so but let me do it again. Okay, the authentication is complete. I will go back to the Maltego. Testing browser login was successful. To the next. Now graph text activation successful. Click the next. Local transfer server. So install the transformation utilities. Yeah, we need to install. Do the next. And it's going to install all the utilities we're going to require, and we're going to do the next. Disclaimer, yes. Next. Reinstall. Do the next. So here is the option like, do you want to automatically send the error report? For me, I don't prefer. I'm going to the next. The next. Privacy normal. Open a blank. So here is the option, open a blank, and let me play around. Open an example graph. Go away. I have done this before. Let me select the first one. and it's gonna open this window. So it's gonna be ask you first for the starter tour. Not now. If you want to, you can start it. I'll close it. So we have now successfully installed the Maltego. So let's do a example. So we're gonna go to the domain entity. So I'm gonna click this one and drag here, and I'm gonna search for. Let's go for facebook.com. Here we can do right click, and I just want to see the machines and like company stalker selection, and here we go. So we can see more detailed information about the Facebook. So this is the way how you can use Maltego. So Maltego is an information gathering tool, so it will help you a lot when you're doing the reconnaissance doing your cybersecurity field. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.